I'm saying dreams of fucking one of these little rappers. I'm just playing.
What is up? What is up? What's up, guys? You are back on my channel, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial of how to apply my lace closure wigs, y'all. So I want to do this quick and easy, so let's just get to it. Right Chance? Yeah, good job. Okay, I'm gonna just gone, y'all. I will look cute about it. Anyways, I have my hair just slick back, adjustable strap. I'm just gonna put it on the part and bring it around my head. Take the wig, flip it on, push it back some more. Ooh, too far. And you're done. Like, it is that easy. Who can't do this? My grandma could do this, literally, because she did. So that is pretty much the end of this video. And guys, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see more. I'm trying to record more so I can post daily or whatever. But anyways, don't do that, Chance. You're gonna break my glasses. Anyways, that's the end of this tutorial. Chance, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.